Hello friends, today we are going to learn about group dynamics and team building. Specifically, we will look at exactly how a group of complete strangers can transform into an unstoppable team. Have you ever wondered why some teams are able to achieve impossible goals, while other teams just argue and fail? The secret behind this difference is something we call group dynamics. First, we need to understand the big difference between a group and a team. A group is just individuals working near each other with their own individual goals. A team is completely different. A team is made of people with complementary skills, who are all working toward one shared goal. Just like people in a rowboat, a true team will sink or swim together. When building a team, our ultimate goal is to create synergy. Synergy is the idea that 1 + 1 = 3. This simply means that the combined effort of the team is much greater than just adding up everyone's individual efforts. By working together, you can achieve things that would be completely impossible to do alone. You cannot just throw a bunch of people in a room and expect synergy to happen like magic. A famous psychologist named Bruce Tuckman proved that every single team must go through 5 distinct stages in order to succeed. Let's break these 5 stages down right now. Stage 1 is called forming. Think of this as the icebreaker stage. During this time, everyone is very polite and on their best behavior. People are just trying to figure out the basic rules of the group. Everyone looks to the leader for clear direction. Next is stage 2, called storming. This is the conflict phase. Here, personalities start to clash and egos collide. People will argue over who is in charge and how the work should actually be done. Warning: most bad teams get stuck in this phase forever and never succeed. If the team survives the conflict, they reach stage 3, norming. This is the resolution phase. Egos are finally put aside, and the team establishes clear ground rules, which we call norms. Trust begins to build among the members. This is the moment where real collaboration finally starts. Then comes the best part, stage 4, performing. This is the synergy phase. At this point, the team is working like a well-oiled machine. Everyone is highly motivated. Because they work so well together, they need almost zero supervision from their manager. Finally, we reach the last step, stage 5, adjourning. This is the goodbye phase. The project is completely finished, and the goal has been achieved. The team celebrates their big success. After the celebration, the team disbands so members can go join new projects. So what is the manager's role in all of this? Remember that great teams are not born, they must be built. A manager's main job is to guide the team through that difficult storming phase as fast as possible. To do this, managers must communicate clearly, resolve conflicts quickly, and make sure to celebrate the small wins along the way. Let's do a final review of the team development stages. They are forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. If you can master these stages, you will become an elite team leader. Thank you for listening.